Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove friends on Facebook. I'm going to show you guys how you can unfriend anybody on Facebook. Maybe you no longer want to become friends with someone on Facebook for reasons best known to you. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually delete friends on Facebook. It's actually easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. The first step that you have to take is to tap on your Facebook app. So let me tap on my Facebook app to open my Facebook account. So guys, once you open up your Facebook account, what you have to do right away is to tap on your Facebook profile image. You can see there on the left hand side, the arrow is pointing at it. It's just next to what's on your mind. You can see it there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see we're on our Facebook profile page. What you have to do now is to scroll down. Let me scroll down. Then after you scroll down, you're going to see where it is written see all friends. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, this is where you're going to find all the friends that you have on Facebook. As you can see here, I have 2,801 friends. So guys, this is where you're going to find all the friends you have on Facebook. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to look for the person that you actually want to unfriend, the person that you want to delete from your friends on Facebook. So guys, what you have to do now is to scroll through to look for the person. But in case you have so many friends like I do, as you can see, I have over 2,000 friends. What you have to do is to search for the friend that you actually want to unfriend. For you to scroll through all these friends is going to be stressful. As you can see, they're actually numerous. So what you have to do now is just to tap on where you can see that search icon there. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to type in the person that you want to unfriend, the friend that you want to delete from your Facebook account. So guys, let me search for a friend now. So guys, now you can see this is the friend I want to delete. That's the friend there, Emmanuel. So what I have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see friends. You can see that friends icon there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see there are so many options here. The first one is unfollow, the second one is take a break, the third one is edit friends list, the fourth one is favorites, while the last one is unfriend. So guys, the option we need to select is the last one, which is unfriend. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Are you sure you want to remove Emmanuel as your friend? So guys, what you have to do now is to confirm to actually delete this person as your friend on Facebook. So guys, let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see we are no longer friends. So if I want to become friends with this person again, what I have to do now is to request to be friend by tapping on where it is written add friend. So guys, let me tap on it. So guys can see now I've requested to be friends. So guys, this is how you can actually unfriend someone on Facebook. This is how you can actually delete friends on Facebook. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.